Let's make this delicious by a simple party-style Ghana Jollof recipe. Hello everyone, thank you once again for coming back to watch my videos. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. As I said, today I share with you this delicious but yet easy Ghana Jollof recipe. If today being your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Can you do subscribe and be part of this beautiful family? Now let's dive right in. For the base of the stew, I'm going to be blending some carrots. Moving forward, I also blend some green pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, ginger, and some natural spices. I also blend some onion and beetroot. Now I'll be listing everything in the description box for you to check it out, so kindly do check it out after the video. Okay, now to a heated pot, I'll go in with some cooking oil. You can also use any cooking oil of your choice. I'll allow the oil to heat up for about 1 to 2 minutes, and while that is done, I'll go in with my blended ingredients. I'll stir everything together beautifully. I'll cover it and allow it to cook until it's nice and ready. Remember as well to check it from time to time, okay? Now, while that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my video, sharing, also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so I am back to check on the base, and this is how it looks like. It looks a little bit thick, and that's what I'm looking for. So moving forward, I'll go in with some tomato paste. If you can use only fresh tomatoes for this, why not? Go ahead and use it and you are good to go. And for the tomato paste, you can also use any brand of your choice. Give it a good mix, and once that is done, I'll cover it and allow it to cook on low medium heat until it's nice and ready. As always, you should keep an eye on it and check it from time to time. Now, let me give you one trick on how to get a perfect Ghana jollof stew. If you really want to get a very tasty jollof stew, you really need to fry your tomatoes very well. You don't have to do it shabu not in a hurry, okay? You should take your time and fry your tomatoes so that you can achieve the perfect taste. Trust me on this one. So I'm going to fry mine until it's a little bit dark, just the way it's in the screens right now. But at this point, it's not as dark as I want it, so I'll allow it to cook for extra 10 to 15 minutes again, and afterwards it should be ready. And after 10 to 15 minutes, this is how our jollof stew looks like. It looks super delicious. My kitchen really smells really good, and I just love the aroma in here. Next, I'll go in with some seasoning of choice. I'll be going in with some nutmeg and also some stew seasoning powder. Moving forward, I'll also go in with some jollof stew seasoning powder, a little bit of salt to taste, and also some mackerel and tomato sauce. In fact, at this point, I can't explain myself on how I do love mackerel in my jollof rice. Yes, I can't just explain, but I think it's because I don't go in with any stock. Yes, I don't go in with any mixed stock, so I think the mackerel is going to do the real magic for me. So if you haven't tried it, kindly try and thank me later, okay? The stew is not even ready, but as you can see, it looks super good and very thick. I just love the consistency. Now let's give everything a good mix. Yes, stirring is very important right here, okay? Let's cover it and allow it to cook for extra 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes, this is what we have. We have a super delicious stew right now. I'll give everything a good mix, and at this point I need to set some of the stew aside because I won't be using all this stew for the jollof rice. It's always advisable to set some of the stew aside if you think it's too much for the rice that you want to cook, okay? Now while that is done, I also go in with my rice. Use any local rice or perfume rice of your choice, okay? I'll stir everything together beautifully, and I also go in with a little bit of water. Now you should know the rice that you are cooking so that you know the amount of water that you go in with it, okay? We really want this rice to really single out, so the amount of water that we're going to add is very important right here. Make up a JJVLO, Toboli. Make up a JJVLO, Toboli. Nega plan energy, Toboli. Nega new energy, Toboli. Mega favila zamenamu, mega favila zamenamu. Nadena hokwela sionamlo, devielo, Toboli. Mega favila zamenamu, mega favila zamenamu, devielo, Toboli. So if you are still with me at this point and you haven't still liked this video yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a thumbs up. Also share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this amazing recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Make up a JJVLO, Toboli. Make up a JJVLO, Toboli. Alright, so now we've been cooking the rice for about 15 to 20 minutes now, and as you can see, it is coming together very nicely, and that's what we're looking for. We're going to fluff it a little bit. I will cover it and allow it to cook on low medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. As always, you need to cook this on low medium heat and also check this from time to time. Alright, so we are back to check on the jollof rice again, and this time around we will go in with some salted butter to give the jollof rice extra flavor. Trust me, this was the best decision ever because it took the jollof rice taste to another level. Kindly try it and you are definitely going to love it. Make up a JJVLO, Toboli. Make up a JJVLO, Toboli. Nega plan energy, Toboli. Nega. So fam, kindly let me know in the comment section what you think about this Ghana jollof rice recipe. It turned out so good, the taste was just amazing, and I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel, also turn on the post notification bell and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much and kindly stay blessed. Bye.